Question 31. Question 31 asks that average kilocalorie of energy needed by women. Average kilocalorie of energy needed by women. Now, if we talk about the women need 2000 calories to work or to maintain their body weight. Whereas if we talk about men need 2500 calories to maintain his body weight. So if we talk about women need a less energy compared to the men. So average kilocalorie energy needed by women is less than men. So option A become the correct answer, that is less than man. Next is question 32. Question 32 asks that amount of saliva secreted daily in human. So saliva secreted daily in human is, it is 1 to 1.5 liters. It is 1 to 1.5 liters. Means 1000 ml is a 1 liter, so D is the correct answer. Question 33. Question 33 asks that gross calorific value of protein is. Gross calorific value of protein is. So if we talk about gross calorific value of carbohydrate is 4.1 kilocalorie. For fat it is 9.45 kilocalorie, and for protein it is 5.64 kilocalorie. And this much kilocalorie energy obtained from carbohydrate, fat and protein on the breakdown of 1 gram of each. So the question is about protein. So for protein 5.64 kilocalories. So B option is the correct answer. Question 34. Question 34 asks that riboflavin is concerned with riboflavin or vitamin B2 or vitamin G is concerned with. So if we talk about this, they are concerned with biological oxidation as well as, but their prime function or key function is to maintain. So it is a maintenance of epithelial cells of skin. So A is the correct answer. So it is a fact based question, we should remember. Next is question 35. Question 35 asks that the largest gland of human body is. Largest gland of human body is. Now largest gland of human body is liver, and it is a fact based question, you should remember that it is larger in size. So A is the correct answer. Next is question 36. Question 36 asks that burning fit syndrome. Burning fit syndrome is due to deficiency of. Now we should remember that paralysis of muscle, fatigue and This burning fit syndrome is related to deficiency of pantothenic acid, that is vitamin B3. So vitamin B3 is the correct answer, that is option C. Now you should understand this term also, that burning fit syndrome means burning sensation or inflammation of fit occurs during this. So we remember that the vitamin B3 deficiency lead to the burning fit syndrome. Question 37. Question 37 asks that saliva converts So it is again a fact based question, and you know that saliva has a salivary amylase enzyme, and this amylase help in chewing, and during which the breakdown of starch occur into maltose. So C is the correct answer. Question 38. Question 38 asks that inner lining of gut stomach and liver is composed of. Inner lining of gut, stomach and liver is composed of simple columnar epithelium. So B is the correct answer. Now, so simple columnar epithelium is the correct answer. Question 39. Question 39 asks that caudate is a part of. Now if we see the diagram of liver, it is somewhat like this. And in which it is a left lobe of liver, this is a right lobe of liver. Now this whole combinedly termed as right lobe. Now in this is known as quadrate lobe, and this is known as caudate. Now, so by seeing this, you can find that caudate lobe is a part of right lobe of liver. So in question 39, answer become option B, that caudate is a part of right lobe of liver. So B is the correct answer. Next is question 40. Question 40 asks that micronutrients. Now you know that essential elements are divided into two parts, that is a macronutrient and micronutrient. Now we have to select a correct answer with respect to options. Now micronutrient for this option is given are less important in nutrition than macronutrient. No, because macro and micro both are essential, so it is not less nutritional. Option B is given as are as important as in nutrition as macronutrient. Yes, they are as important as in nutrients because both are essential. Option C is given as may be omitted from the culture medium without any determinant effect on the plant. No, because if they are removed, the deficiency symptom may appear. and D, that they are called a micro because they play a minor role in nutrition. No, they act as a cofactor of some of the enzymes, so they have a major role. It is not a minor role. So B is the correct answer, that they are important in nutrition as equivalent to the macronutrient. Question 41. Question 41 asks that the outermost layer of alimentary canal is known as outermost layer of an alimentary canal is known as. The sequence from outer to inner of alimentary canal, if we take a alimentary canal cross section, and in cross section if we see outer to inner, from outer to inner you will find a presence of serosa, then muscularis, then submucosa, and then mucosa. So the outermost layer is nothing but a serosa. So option C become correct answer, that is serosa. Next is question 42. Question 42 asks that hernia is a disease where there is Now if we talk about hernia, in hernia what happens, the extension of some tissues occur or parts of organ occur and they descend in the another part. So if we talk about hernia here, where the options are given, option A is given as it is a descent of intestine into inguinal canal. So it is known as inguinal hernia, and this also known as groin hernia. So descent of intestine into inguinal hernia is known as groin hernia. That is correctly defined this, so A is the correct answer. Question 43. Question 43 asks that thickest muscular coat is found in thickest muscular coat is found in. Now the wall of the stomach has a typical 4 coat layers. Wall of stomach has a typical 4 coat layer from inside to outside as a mucosa, submucosa, muscularis and xerora. Now muscularis layer of stomach is thickest of all parts of alimentary canal. It's thickest of all parts of alimentary canal, and it include 3 layer. It include 3 layers: outer longitudinal, middle circular, and inner oblique, due to which the part of stomach is the thickest. So A stomach become the correct answer. Question 44. Question 44 asks that hypochromic or macrocytic anemia is due to hypochromic or microcytic anemia is due to. Now, this hypochromic or macrocytic anemia is caused by folate deficiency. So, this folate deficiency occurred due to the iron deficiency. So, option A, iron deficiency, is the appropriate answer. Next is question 45. Question 45 asks that which of the following does not belong to vitamin B group? Does not belong to vitamin B group. Now, if we talk about option A is given as riboflavin. Now, riboflavin is vitamin B2. Option B is given as nicotine. Option C is given as cyanocobalamin, and cyanocobalamin is a form of vitamin B12, and D is given as nicotinamide. Nicotinamide is a form of vitamin B3. So this A, C and D are the forms of vitamin B group, but nicotine is not a form of vitamin B group.